Let's walk through the app controls. The imaging screen has a header that displays the battery status indicator in the left corner. A white outline indicates the probe is connected, and vertical lines indicate the battery charged status. Next is the wireless connection quality indicator. This indicates the quality of the connection between the probe and the app. The probe temperature indicator reflects the thermal levels of the probe temperature during a scan. The selected preset is displayed next to it. The exam number or patient ID is on the right side. The orientation marker seen at one side of the image corresponds to the physical marker on both transducer heads. On the right side of the image is the depth scale, with the depth displayed at the bottom. The lower part of the image houses the color flow, freeze, and store icons. These icons shift to the left side when the image is displayed in landscape orientation. To toggle between freeze and live scanning modes, you can tap the freeze icon and then tap freeze again to unfreeze.